Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you that's bound to elevate your cooking experience. We discovered the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this kitchen marvel is all about. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is not just a pressure cooker, it's a versatile appliance that combines 7 different cooking functions into one compact design. With this single device, you can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make rice, prepare yogurt, and even keep your meals warm. It's like having a whole kitchen full of cooking tools all in one pot. One of the standout features of the Instant Pot Duo is its customizable smart programs. It comes with 13 one-touch options that help you tackle every recipe with ease. Whether you're whipping up a hearty soup or indulging in a decadent cake, the Instant Pot makes it simple. It's especially great for those who might be new to cooking or who simply want to simplify their meal prep. Safety is always a priority in the kitchen, and the Instant Pot Duo doesn't disappoint. It features an easy-release steam switch that ensures fast, safe, and straightforward steam release every time you finish cooking. Plus, it's equipped with over 10 safety mechanisms, including overheat protection and an easy seal safety lid lock. This means you can cook with peace of mind, knowing that safety is built into the design. Another fantastic aspect of this appliance is its efficiency. The Instant Pot Duo cooks up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods. This is a game changer for busy families or anyone with a hectic schedule. You can prepare delicious meals in a fraction of the time, which means more time to spend with loved ones or simply relax after a long day. The pro-grade cooking pot is crafted from stainless steel, featuring an 18/8 construction with a triply bottom. This design is perfect for searing and sautéing, giving you that professional cooking experience right at home. And with its 6-quart capacity, it's ideal for families or those who love meal prepping. You can easily whip up to 6 servings, making it perfect for batch cooking or entertaining guests. Cleanup is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, but the Instant Pot Duo makes it hassle-free. The lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe, so you won't have to fight over who's doing the dishes after a delicious meal. Simply place them in the dishwasher, and you're done. This appliance is perfect for a wide range of people. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or someone who enjoys cooking but wants to save time, the Instant Pot Duo has you covered. It's also great for those who are health conscious, as it allows you to prepare nutritious meals quickly and easily. Now, let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and being able to prepare a tasty, homemade meal in just 30 minutes. You could pressure cook a whole chicken with veggies, steam fresh fish and rice, or even whip up a batch of creamy risotto all in one pot. And if you're a fan of meal prep, you can make large batches of soups, stews, or even yogurt that can last throughout the week. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile, efficient, and safe appliance that can transform the way you cook. With its array of functions and user-friendly design, it's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine while still enjoying delicious, home-cooked meals. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.